Money mindset.
I think that sounds alright.
Retirement is dead. Long live retirement. So today we need to own ourselves first. So think of yourself as your own little company. So rather than in previous years you would have the state to look after you, or you would have your company that you worked in for life to look after you. But today we have to own ourselves first. So this is paying yourself first into investment vehicle and growing that. So think of yourself like a business system. So you have like a pyramid. You have to first, number one step is to have insurance. So if you've got debt or dependence or desire, then make sure that's covered. Then the next step is to have 3 months cash buffer as you're saving in the pyramid. Then the next step up is to have investing portfolios. So rather than having your state look after you or your company pension, you're now going to have to invest in yourself. So that with the idea to when you do retire or when you stop working, that you can then pay yourself an income from the pot of money that you've saved up. So why are you working? You're working to give yourself and your family a better life. So when you do stop working, you will have an income to use this pot of money as an income. So you can take this pot of money and draw from it every year to improve your retirement. So you can essentially live your life the way you want to live. So you can, if you have enough money, once you understand your number and how much, so your number is how much you need to live on for the rest of your life, that gives you immense freedom and peace of mind. You know that once you've got up to a certain amount, so say for instance £600,000 will produce an income for about £24,000. So if you have £600,000, that can produce, if you withdraw that amount of 4%, you can actually live on that income for life. That means you don't have to do the job that you don't like. You can hand your resignation in and then do something that you would love to do, and which is why retirement today is so different. Retirement is dead, and long live retirement.
Money mindset.
I think that sounds alright.